Okay, what's up guys? Welcome back to my new video, and today I'm going to walk you through Fiverr tutorial. This is going to be a long time tutorial because I'm going to show you the different style and different methods to start earning on Fiverr. So for those who are just beginning their freelance career, I'm not going to just jump into Fiverr and begin to show you how to navigate. I'm going to start from this uh, scratch from the beginning, and I promise it's going to be newbie friendly. So all you just need to do is to follow me through this video, okay? Then make sure you hit the subscribe button below this video, like this video and share with your friends, and I will continue to update this video on how to make money on Fiverr. So if you are ready, I'm going to show you first of all what is Fiverr, what is the platform all about, how to start selling on Fiverr, the gig you should offer on Fiverr. If you check my previous video, there's a video on how to sell on Fiverr without skill. You can look into that. And also, for this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Fiverr, okay? How to create an account on Fiverr. So that's the first thing we're going to do for this video. So without further ado, let's get right into it, okay? So first thing is to go over to our browser. Okay, here is Fiverr. Here is Fiverr. But ever before you begin to explore or go inside Fiverr, let me quickly make a quick explanation. Okay, let's say you're an internet marketer or you're a seller, and there's some service you need that you don't actually know how to render, and you start to sort for outsource that service. Okay, so the platform where you outsource that service is Fiverr.com. Let me give you a pictorial view. Let's say this is this man here, okay, is a restaurant owner, and is looking for someone to build a website for him, okay. He doesn't know how to build a website for his business, and he needs the service of a seller to build that website for him, okay. So yes, and that man here, this man is his role is the man is a freelancer, okay. It's a freelancer. So for this man to have access to this person, he need a platform, okay. So this platform is what connects this man to this man B. So this is the buyer, okay, and this is the seller, and in between this buyer and the seller is Fiverr, okay. That's where Fiverr comes in. Fiverr is a freelancing platform that connects buyers to sellers. Not only that, Fiverr sellers, people like you and I, to create a service so that this man can have someone to render service for him. And the minimum amount you can earn on Fiverr actually is $5, okay. So Fiverr gives you an opportunity to sell there, to create your gig and sell to this man, okay. So in between this one and this one is Fiverr. I hope you understand what Fiverr is all about now. So this is the website, okay. To begin to sell on Fiverr, first of all, you have to navigate to become a seller. So you click on become a seller and you'll be brought here. You can see. So to get started, click on become a seller. So you'll be required to enter an email. So first thing you want to do is, if you don't already have an email, go over to gmail.com. Click on create account. For myself, just to manage my business. Now, I recommend that you create an account that is related to the service you want to offer on Fiverr. There are quite a number of gigs you can offer. Gigs are services you render on Fiverr. So The service this guy is offering on Fiverr is called gigs. Okay, for those that are hearing the word for the first time, so gigs are the service you render on Fiverr. So I recommend that maybe, for example, you want to start selling ebook cover, you want to design ebook cover, that is a gig you want to offer, or you want to start designing website for people, or you want to start creating animation video, or you want to be writing content for people. Make sure that your email is related to that. So for me, I want to start selling funnel, building, designing funnel for people. So my email is going to be um, funnel lab. Okay. Or let me say, let me use some. Let me use my real name here, John Vicky. Okay, John Vicky. So you can see it's suggesting for us, but we can change it. So let's say our gig is funnel building or funnel design. So you can just say funnel lab at gmail.com. Okay. So here you're gonna create a password. I'm gonna create a password here. Okay. So I'll pause this video while I create my password. Okay. So all you just need to do is to enter your password here. Um, minutes. So once you are there, you create your phone number, put your email, and click on next. Fill it complete. Okay, you can just put any year here. It doesn't matter. You can put any year. You can say 1980. Okay. Click on next. Privacy. Just scroll down. Agree. So you say you can see our email now is funnellab124@gmail.com. So copy that. You can click on not now. Then go over to Fiverr. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, our email is ready. Funnellab124. So okay, so you can see we are good to go. So once you have that, John Vicky funnellab124@gmail.com. Once you have that, come over here, put in that email that you just created. Okay, click on continue. So you say create a username. So this username is what you're going to use on your Fiverr account. So I'm going to create a username now related to the service I want to offer on Fiverr. So let's say my service is funnel lab. Okay, lab. This username is already taken. Let's use underscore. This. Oh, username. So you find one that is not already taken. Funnel design. Let's use funnel design. Funnel designer lab. So you can see that one is okay, but I need something better. Funnel designer lab. Funnel designer. Okay. So you can see I have a username here. If you don't have an idea about username, you can come over to shopify.com/business name generator. So you can see I entered funnel here and I generated some names here. So you see Jasmine funnel, funnel affinity, funnel city. So it will give you idea about the username to use. Funnel zone. Can you see that? So it will give you idea, username idea that you can use to start your Fiverr business. Atlantic Funnel, Funnel Pride, Remedy Funnel, Funnel Tree, of Funnel Giants. So you can see there are quite number of business names here. Cora Funnel, Funnel Market. Okay, so I have this one already. So this one I'm going to use Maximus Funnel. So you click on join. So we can see we're already in Fiverr now. We have our account created. Okay, so you can save the password. So once you do that, you can now scroll down, ready to start selling on Fiverr. All right, so click on, you say, learn what makes a successful profile, create your seller profile, publish your gig. Just click on continue. Click on continue. Okay, click on continue. So you want to put your first name and last name. Okay, so you can select a name, not necessarily your own name. So you put in your name. John Vic, okay? So you want to put a face here. You want to put a face here. So you put your profile picture here, then write a description and click on continue. Basically, that's how to set up your Fiverr account. So once you are done with this, in my next video, I'm going to show you how to create an account, I mean a gig on Fiverr, how to create a gig. Remember, our gig is related to funnel building. Funnel building. That's what I'm dealing with here. You can also have different other services that you want to render. Can be content marketing, can be email marketing, and the rest, okay? But for this video, this is just how to create a Fiverr account. So if you go to your email now, you see you already have a message from Fiverr that says activate your account. So you need to activate this account. You need to, by clicking on that link they sent to your Gmail. So you need to activate your account. All I just did was to copy the email, say account successfully activated. This is a great time to edit your profile. Okay, so all you just need to do is to start editing your profile and complete your profile. But for now, we can start from here. So the next thing you want to do is to put in your profile picture. You can use your own picture. You can decide to use another picture. Okay, so now that we have our account created, we want to have a profile picture. So you can take a picture of yourself and add it to your profile. So for this, I'm going to add this picture. Okay, I'm going to add this picture. Okay, so we have a picture there. Okay, so it was removed. Well, I don't know why they removed it, but let me see. Let's try again. That one was removed. Let's give it another try. So for this, I would suggest you reduce the size of the picture. So okay, so we want to add a profile picture to our gig. Okay, so you can change this since it's not accepting it. Okay, scroll down to romance. All right, so we have a profile picture there. So the next is going to describe the service you render. Okay, you want to describe yourself, your work experience, project you have completed. But since you are a new seller and you don't actually have a profile yet, what way I will recommend is go over to Fiverr. Um, what's there? Go over to Fiverr, then search for funnel. Just search for funnel, okay, or sales funnel. Search for sales funnel. Then look for someone that is already there, that is already working, and they has made sales. I'll make click bank, click funnels and click funnel, okay. Blah, 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 blah. Just scroll down, look for an account. I'll bid your sales funnel in click funnels. I'll bid, okay. Okay, let's look at this guy. So you want to copy a description and edit it and put it on our own description, okay. So that's what we want to do now. Okay, this video is getting long now. I'm going to stop the video here. In our next video, I'm going to show you how to complete your profile, okay? How to complete your profile and how to create a gig. How to create a gig, okay? So before I go, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video and share with your friends, okay? So my next video, I'm going to show you how to complete your profile and also how to add gig to your account, okay?